Hi guys, I'm about to head out for a little bike ride, going around to my mate Brad's house. He's got an electric Haibike and he's actually a master wheel builder, so I'm told. So he's gonna take the buckle out of that front wheel with a bit of luck. Head out, freezing cold day, really icy, but yeah, it'd be good to get out and put this little machine up against a £3,000 or whatever it costs electric Haibike. See what's what. Quite excited today to go and pit this up against a Haibike. Obviously vast difference in price and type of bike, mid-drive and hub drive.
Show me.
Oh, I see. You've got a little bit as a gauge.
Yeah, I mean, usually you put it in a rig, but I haven't got a rig, so.
I can see.
See that? Okay. Not the best position to do this, but we can do it. So what you do is the side that goes to this side, you tighten to bring it over, or you can loosen to go left.
So it's just via the spokes.
Well, yeah, but it's all dependent on lots of issues like your tension.
Yeah.
I mean, generally your tension is pretty good. So you can loosen or tighten. If it's too tight, you just loosen. And in extreme cases, so let us move there. Extreme cases, you have to bend the rim manually. What we do is
I've got to be honest, I tried doing that.
What, bend? No.
I tried.
Yeah, no, it's best.
I watched some Indian guy on Facebook bending the rim with his head. And I tried copying it.
Yeah.
Didn't work.
Okay, so what we're going to do,
I think I made it worse.
Salam alaikum.
You don't ever want to just give it more than really half a turn, because you're just going to like produce major tension one spoke, less tension this side, and then when you're riding it, it's going to buckle again. So you've got to just get an even tension.
Yeah,
that's like the skill of it. It's not being able to straighten a wheel, it's being able to make a wheel strong again.
Yeah, yeah, I understand that. If half of it's loose and half of it's tight, then yeah.
Exactly. So you don't
Can you over tighten it so it punches the thing?
Oh well? No, it won't go through.
It won't punch it
only in this like extreme case.
Yeah.
Right, or something.
Or might it crack the rim if you tighten
I don't know about
time?
cracking the rim, but I don't know. I mean, the spoke would have to be too long for the rim anyway, and there's protectors on the other side. So
okay.
It's but bikes have changed so much since I used to work on them. So I worked for I think it was about 10 years. Sorry.
Yeah.
And then I bought, and then I've always just rode a 26, and then the other day I went to buy a couple of bikes, and they're like, which one, 27 and a half or 29? I just was shocked. I really didn't realise how out of touch I am. So I've got 27 and a half now.
It's quite quick, isn't it? It's not too... Obviously it comes with experience, I know.
Yeah.
But
yeah, no, but it's a real art.
it's not like taking the wheel off and taking it apart or anything like that.
Oh, it can be. I mean, this is just a normal buckle.
Yeah.
But, oh yeah, no. And then there's other states of the way you lace the wheel up. So back in the day, do you remember, like when we was kids, you used to get, I can't remember what they called it, but you used to twist them and then out. I mean, they do it these days, but
what do you mean?
Day for BMXing.
What do you mean twist them?
You get the spoke,
yeah.
You twist it round, like each other, bend it,
yeah.
And then come out. And then basically what it done was it strengthened the wheel, but it just looks really good. It looks better than
the
average. It made you stand out, which is, but it was quite, you know, it was quite an extreme thing.
Yeah, you've got to know what you're doing to get that right. It sounds like.
Absolutely.
I'm not saying that.
Alright, I think we're going to be close. There's still a little bend good. We've got one bend there and that's it, I think.
That's sick.
Yeah. Probably about there. Let's have a look. Let's get that closer. Probably get it a tiny bit better.
Let's come around this side as well.
I'd say that's...
Fucking gimbal. Can I spin it?
You want me to spin it?
Yeah, go on. Try and get a good angle. Right, that's it.
Yeah, I can probably get that last bit out, which will come up to this there, isn't it, I think? So fine. This is why you need a jig. You take the tyre off and you do it with a... and you stand up straight above it, but I can't even... But I'm not making it.
No,
it's just how it is. But okay, here we go. Let's get the last bend. It looks like it's on the red label. Let me have a look at it. Yeah, I think we've got the red label there, last bit. Gone round once on that previous. Not much, half a turn, and I think we're done. Yep.
Sweet.
All done.
Oh,
there we go.
awesome.
Let's take this off.
Cheers, mate.
You didn't use anything. That was just what I had at hand.
Wicked. Cheers, mate.
Yeah,
nice one.
Thing I'm thinking is, I think we'll be fine. It's dry the whole route on the bottom.
Oh, mate. Nice bit of scenery. Whoa. Bless. See you later, mate. Bikes are absolutely caked. So this is the Insta 360, isn't it, Brad?
Yeah.
Have they got any other models, or is it just literally this one?
They got a few models, but that's the equivalent of the action cam.
Really like the footage of that. The time lapse in this video is going to be from this little bad boy. How much are these? Are they about the same as GoPros to buy?
I think about 400 quid.
Oh mate! I've just lost my copy that was going to warm my hands up, and it's gone all over my gloves. jet wash might be frozen. Alright guys, so that's it for the vlog today. Bike's still for sale. The front wheels now, as you can see, buckle free. Brand new charger. This is a brand new kit on this bike. Maybe a week or so old, but battery's £500 on its own. And as a little offer to any of my subscribers, you can take this bike as it is now for £900. That's probably about £800 worth of e-bike kit from Andy Kirby on it, and a brand new bike. It was stolen and recovered. Still think it's really good value. If anyone's interested, hit me up in the comments.